Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite styles by Gabor. This is Sweet Talk Luxury in the color GL1422SS. We're going to unbox it, style it, talk about it. You won't want to miss it coming up. This wig style was sent to me by Wig Studio One so I could review it for you today. You can find it there. All you have to do is go below the video, expand the description box. There will be a direct product link labeled Gabor Sweet Talk Luxury. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Again, all of those links are below the video in the description. So let's get started with our unboxing. As I mentioned, I really love this style personally. This is right up in my wheelhouse. It's going to be a short, kind of a voluminous beach wave bob. So I really love the original version of this one as well. The original Sweet Talk features an extended lace front with left monofilament side part. The luxury version, which we are looking at today, is going to have a lace front and a fully hand-tied single monofilament top. So here it is in the box. Let's read this little pamphlet real quick. Your new Gabor wig, packaged inside out to eliminate cold set, give a gentle shake and a quick pick, and it should be ready to wear. So let's find out. Okay. All right, so there it is. So while I have this open inside out, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the cap. So there's an extended hand-tied lace front. It goes back through the ear tab here. It's nicely contoured. Oh, wow, this one is really nice. The knots are super fine. And it goes back to a hand-tied monofilament top. Now that's a single monofilament top. What you're noticing here is a bit of tulle material that's sewn in for comfort, but it doesn't affect the nice realistic look and the illusion of scalp through this monofilament. We'll check that out when we apply it. We have a velvet, beautiful closed velvet ear tab here, long sturdy stays, an extended velvet nape, and Velcro adjusters. Lots of stretch here, lots of darting, I should say, lots of darting and lots of wefting. We'll examine the fit when I try it on. All right, so what I'll do now is I'll just remove these tags real quick, and then I'll try it on and assess the fit. Traditional Gabor typically fits me a little large with my petite average circumference. Normally, I can make an adjustment to accommodate my petite average circumference. Okay, so for the most part, I think this fits very average. I am going to make an adjustment to accommodate my petite average circumference because it does feel a little bit loose on me, and make an adjustment to the Velcro adjusters. Those are my favorite kind. But while I have it off, let's go ahead and do our shake. Okay, we saw that it was sort of tightly compacted there. So I'm just going to shake it and rake it with my fingers, pulling at the fiber gently to separate them, to wake it up. Okay, I was able to get a really nice fit with that adjustment. So on a 21¼ inch circumference, I just made more or less a maximum adjustment on that, and it worked out great. It fits nice and snug. I don't notice any baggy cap. So let's dig into these measurements a little bit for you. So that front piece is going to be right around 7 inches. Now it is curly, wavy, so it does shrink up a bit, but I'm about 6.5 from hairline to chin, so that's about right. Overall, I'm looking at about 9 to 10 inches. It weighs right around 3 ounces, just over 3 ounces. And then again, it features that extended lace front, fully hand-tied single monofilament top, and open wefts on the sides and back. Let's take a look at this lace front. Gabor does a really nice lace front. I've always noticed that from the beginning of my wig journey, that I could always count on Gabor, like Raquel Welch, for a nice lace front. So it's a very fine knotting process there. All of the seams are obscured. Gives you a nice wide area in which to style away from the face with the beautiful illusion of scalp all the way through that sheer lace material. Now on the monofilament top, you can definitely see down in through to the monofilament. I think that would be more obvious on a darker color than it is on this blonde. So I want to start working with this wave a little bit. So what you're going to notice is the general shape of the style is big and it's round. Okay, it's a short, rounded, full voluminous bob. But the beach waves are really delicate. It's a deconstructed spiral all the way around. You're going to be able to get some choppiness. There is a little bit of tapering on the ends just to give it that flirty, modern kind of look. It's about the same length all the way around. There's no visible angle or anything, but I love this length. It's right up my alley, right above the collar on most people. But I do want to just pick and fluff this curly wave a little bit. Just further separating it. It really comes to life beautifully. You can use just a squirt of water or some sort of texturizing spray to bring out this curl and texture if you wish. So it's really important to note here that this is made from the Flex Light fiber by Gabor. This is not heat friendly, okay? This is the regular synthetic fiber. It is soft to the touch. It's fine, it's feathery light. It separates beautifully and moves very well. All right, so let's go outside for a look at this color in outdoor light, and we'll do some styling for Gabor's Sweet Talk Luxury. So the glasses actually fit really nicely between the ear and the ear tab on this style. Depending on the width of your glasses arms, you should not have any trouble with that. So let me go ahead and just start moving this around for you so that you can get a really good sense of volume, density, movement, all the important stuff. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you real soon right here at TAZ's Wig Closet.